Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could fix the Bluetooth not working in your Windows computer. So if you have Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 or even 12, then this video is for you. First of all, let's go to our Bluetooth setting and turn on our Bluetooth. If you don't see the icon there or if it's not working, we want to go to our settings. Click on the search tab and type settings and click to open the settings. Locate the Bluetooth and devices location, or you can just click and type in find and a setting, and you can just type Bluetooth and it will be loaded or directed to this page. The next step, we want to turn off and turn on again our Bluetooth and try to view more devices to plug them with our computer. If this is still not working, then we are going to use the Windows Repair Bluetooth option for now. To use the Windows Repair, just click in Find a Setting and type Troubleshoot Bluetooth or Find and Fix Problems with Bluetooth. So we'll click on this option, Find and Fix Problems with Bluetooth Devices. Here we are going to click Next. And Windows will try automatically to detect your computer's capabilities and try to repair if there are any issues detected there. As you can see, Windows has found my Bluetooth and it has been fixed. If this didn't fix your problem, you can always say no, and then you will be guided to the next option. Here we will click. If this has fixed your problem, you can just stop this video. You are done. If it didn't fix, just click close and we will proceed with the next option. As next step, click on your search tab and type Device Manager. Click to open the Device Manager. Here we are going to locate our Bluetooth device, and as you can see, they all have been updated, or they have been already there. So what we're going to do, click with the right button of the mouse and select for hardware changes, and again properties, and normally we will click on each one of them and click update driver. Search automatically for drivers, and here Windows is saying that I have the best driver installed so far. We'll check with the second one. It says the same. Third one and the fourth one. So far Windows is telling us that we have the latest drivers, which doesn't solve our problem, so we'll proceed with manual fix for this. Click in the search tab and type dxdiag, as we need to know what series of laptop or computer are you using. So for example, in my case, I'm using an Asus computer and it's X515. Okay, so under the BIOS, you will see the serial of your computer, or let's say the series of your computer. Next step, open your browser. I will just open it from the desktop. And here I will type Asus drivers. If you have HP, you will type HP drivers. Lenovo or Dell is the same, and hit enter. We'll just refresh. It seems a little issue with the internet. And make sure that you are on the official website of the company. So it's always www.asus.com in my case. In your case, if you have HP, you should see this support.hp.com. And if you have Lenovo, you should be seeing support.lenovo.com. And if you have Dell, you should see the official website, which is www.dell.com. Drivers and download. We'll just click on it. So as you can see, all of them has the search bar. So just make sure that all the websites are in English. So I will open my Asus, and first for Dell, just type what series of laptop you are using and hit enter. So let's say I have Dell Vostro, or let's say I have Dell, let's choose any Dell laptop for now, XPS for example. So Dell XPS 13 and hit enter. Normally we should be able to access, so let's try in this search tab. So as you can see, we have been loaded here, we have been redirected here. Select drivers, and here you will see your laptop, support for XPS, for example, whatsoever. So I will click on it, and here I will just try to locate drivers and downloads. And here you will be able to find the drivers notifications, and you will be able to check for your compatibility also. With that, what we are going to do, we'll click on manual search for specific XPS drivers, for example. Search term, we'll just put Bluetooth, and I have Windows 11, you might have Ubuntu whatsoever. And download, you can leave all types, and category also all, and just hit on it. And you should be able to see the list of drivers. So here you must locate drivers of Bluetooth. You must download these drivers and install them. You just click download, you save it somewhere, and ready to be installed. So next step, you go to the location where you have saved it. You just click on it and you click run as administrator, and the installation should be done. After that, you must restart your computer and then your Bluetooth should be fixed. For the people who are using Lenovo computer, so let's say I have a Lenovo T420, so PC, and here I will type T420 and I will click on it. That's the series of a laptop which is very well known. And here drivers and softwares. And here I'm going to select manual drivers. And here I'm going to select the type of Windows which I'm using. Is it Windows 11, Windows 10, or whatsoever? So I will choose Windows 11. And be careful because some laptops might not support the current software, so we'll change software to Windows 10. And as you can see, the drivers now are all appearing here. So what I will need to look for, I will need to look for Bluetooth, since I cannot find it for Windows 11. As you could see, I could not find them, but now that I have deleted them from the search by keyword, I can see Bluetooth and modem. And here I have the Bluetooth, and I will just click on it to be downloaded. So Bluetooth with enhanced data software, just click to download. You can always choose the latest one. So you can here check by dates, publication date 14 November 2011. I've chosen 2013 one, June 2012, so it's the latest one. So I will use this one. I just click download as you could see. And the first one was the driver, and the second one is just a text with few kilobyte. And the next step, just open the location where you have saved it. We'll wait until it's totally downloaded. And we go back to our USB flash drive, click on the device, run as administrator, and you should be able to install it accordingly. And this should solve the Bluetooth problem for a Lenovo laptop. Final step for those who has HP laptops, they can also fix that. So I will select laptop, and I will type HP Lite, and I will select any PC. Hopefully this one has a driver, and select your operating system. I have Windows and I have 64. Let's say submit, and they should be able to download the drivers accordingly for my Bluetooth. All drivers should be able to see Bluetooth. And by scrolling under driver network, you should be able to see it named Realtek, RTL, blah, 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 but you should see in front of it Bluetooth. So click on it and we'll just click download. We'll save it locally. And once your driver has been downloaded, just go to the location where you have saved it, double click on it, or just click run as administrator. You should be able to install it. And once the Bluetooth driver has been installed, just turn off and turn on again your computer and your Bluetooth should be working. For the people who has Asus laptop, so let's say they have the same as mine, so we're going to enter the model name of our laptop. So it's Asus X515 and we will just hit enter. What we are looking for, we're actually looking for laptops, and it should be Asus laptop series. It does not really matter, and we should be able to find. As you can see by entering the model name or X515, I got this one, so I will just click on driver and utility. And here we should be able to scroll down. So select operating system, Windows 11 or Windows 10 based on which one you use. Scroll down, chipset, audio, graphics, card reader, and here we have Bluetooth. So just click download, save, and here we will need to go to the file where we have saved our driver and click to run as administrator with the right button. And once the driver has been installed as any other software, just restart your computer and the Bluetooth should be working. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always subscribe and you can always like our video if you find it useful. And you can always share with your friend to share the note. And also you can join our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.